Sometimes a friendship is all you need for success, and there's no better proof of that than Woodinville Whiskey. Best friends Orlin Sorensen and Brett Carlile had one dream: making amazing whiskey using Washington ingredients. Today, I'm taking a tour with Brett to see what goes behind the magic of one of my favorite libations.
Val, these are our grain silos. This is where we store our corn, our rye, and our malted barley. Those are the three grains we use to make whiskey here at Woodinville. As we know, the eastern half of the state is a lot of agriculture.
Right.
So for us to buy grains from another state didn't seem right to us. We got in touch with a guy named Arnie Omlin out of Quincy, Washington. So it was like a dream come true that got to happen. So this is how we grind the grain down to a flour. See how fine we grind it?
It's so light.
We're trying to expose the starch in this grain and convert it into a simple sugar, because that's what yeast consumes during fermentation to produce alcohol. This big copper pot is filled with the fermented mash. It's about 9 to 10% alcohol by volume. So it's like a strong beer going into the still. So what we're trying to do is boil the alcohol vapor out, run it through this distillation column, and refine the alcohols and turn it into whiskey. So this is where the alcohol will come spilling out right here. Yeah. I'm sorry we're not running today. It gets put into brand new charred oak barrels for a minimum of 5 years. And then it goes into a bottle. You gotta have patience in this business, and that's something I had to learn because I'm not a patient person. When you taste it, you let me know if it's worth it.
I will let you know.
Okay.
Now, Orlin is going to walk me through tasting some whiskey, starting with their 6-year aged bourbon.
All of that color comes from the barrel char. So you got 72% of this mashed bills corn, 22% rye. That gives it a little bit of the rye spice. So the corn gives it the sweetness.
I feel like I have a very underdeveloped tongue. It's either good or not.
Well, you still got plenty of time to learn.
All right, cool.
This is our 9-year bourbon.
Hot diggity. Here we go, y'all. I mean, that just makes me feel like yummy.
A lot of sweetness, just a tremendous amount of brown sugar. You get a lot of flavor and from that barrel.
That's just like all fireworks. This is very comforting.
Yeah, very rich. Almost like an after-dinner aperitif.
Yes. They have so many flavors to try. So if and when you're in Woodinville, pop on into Woodinville Whiskey and see what all the magic is about.